You understand what I'm saying? If you're a felon, I mean, a felon of doing what? You could have a felony and still get a pistol. That's why I said we got to know our rights. You could be a felon and still own a pistol. I hope you guys know that. It depends on what your felony is for. Okay? It all depends. Now, you can't go out here, just start going around shooting people, beating people up, doing this, and then you think you're going to be able to own a pistol. I know somebody who have a felony, and they own a pistol legally, not even illegally, legally. So it all depends on what your felony's for, and if you have a good lawyer. That's the thing. When you first go to do these things, they try to deny you. They try to make it hard. They try to deny you. They try to make it hard. They try to deny you. But when you know your rights, you'll be perfectly fine. You understand? And him saying, if you vote this time, you won't ever have to vote again is crazy. If that's not crazy to y'all, then I don't know what crazy is. I'm telling you, you know what it is that I learned, right? People want to like choose what they want to be mad about. I'm starting to learn that a lot. People want to choose what they want to be mad about. Oh, I'm mad because she came on here and she said this, and I can't believe she said this, and I can't believe he did that. Oh, why the fuck would he say this, and why the fuck would he say that, and But the real shit, the real issues that we need to sit down and be mad about, we ain't being mad about. And when it's time to be prepared, because them other people, they prepared. They prepared. Okay? A friend of mine, when I went to his house, and he took me to a certain part of his house and showed me how many pistols he got. You see all different types of pistols. All different types. You understand? And they're all legal. That nigga he could go to war. You could actually go to war. Like if somebody come into his crib, because you don't know how they're going to start treating us. He could defend himself. And that's the part that y'all don't get. They make it hard for you not to get it. So when they're ready to finish your ass, you don't have no way of defending yourself. He showed me all type of pistols. He showed me all type of batteries. He showed me all type of, what you call them things, flashlights. And I'm looking at him like, this nigga's sick. This guy's fucking crazy. Like, this nigga got like 20, 30 different flashlights. Mad different flashlights, big ones, small ones. Mad different type of batteries. Mad different candles. I'm like, damn, like you prepared. And then he started giving me stories and how Avery, and this is a person who's very informed. Okay? Very informed. And he started giving me stories and letting me know what's going on. Because, you know, young people, we don't watch the news like that. We don't pay attention to all these debates. I just started seeing the whole Trump situation because he showed it to me. He showed it to me. I only see stuff from what's going. I really only see what's going on in the real world. If I want to be honest with y'all, it's because I go on social media. If I go on the shade room, or if I go like stumble over something and I just see like, oh, Trump walked out to this, or this person's doing this, or the debate. When I watch the debate and he called the bitch a bum and stuff like this, like I don't watch CNN. I don't watch the news. My life is super busy. I don't got time for that. But when this man sat me down and was educating me, Earth is so ghetto. It fucking is. Ugh. We're not even gonna go into that conversation. When he was educating me about everything, and I'm looking at him, and at first, if this man was doing this to me, number one, 5 years ago, I wouldn't be in somebody like this house because I wouldn't trust him because I would look at him like, you racist or whatever the fuck it is. And not all those people are racist. You have some of them that are really good. The same way you have bad in everything. You have bad in everything. Everything. And the man informing me on what's going on and what they're trying to do to us and how everything is going down and what's gonna happen. And he been on Earth way longer than me. He been through a couple stuff. He know how they give it up. He actually told me how some of them give it up. And he told me they was gonna make it hard for me. And they did. They did. And he did everything in his power to help me. Because he knows the law, because he's in that field. And when I see them flashlights, and I see all them different types of things lined up, and batteries and candles and this and waters and all that stuff and big water stuff where you could save water. I'm looking at him like, oh, this nigga really think he's going to war. He's like, yeah, the way how this is going, the way how this is operating and how this is going, sooner or later they're gonna make life so expensive and difficult for people, because it already is for a lot of people. I know that people's gonna have no choice but to go out there and get it any means necessary. And what happened when people go through those times? What happened when people go through times like that? They'll take it from anyone. Niggas gonna be knocking on your door to come take your shit. That's how serious it is. And, you know, especially us, we like to laugh. Like, that, oh, please, girl, whatever. Like, until it really start happening. And by the time you're trying to be prepared, everything is already done. Everything's already gone. You can't even get nothing. You understand? So, just be prepared. Be prepared. I'm a pretty dangerous woman. Please come to my door. Yo, Carlita, I love your energy. You don't even understand. Stuff like that makes me... It tickles my little fantasy. It's good to have women, and this is for women too, like a lot of women that's on here. Yo, protect yourself. Fuck what anybody say. Fuck what they say. Oh, you too gangsta. Oh, you too this. That's fine. That's perfectly fine. That is perfectly fine. It is perfectly fine. You understand? That is perfectly fine. Be too. That's fine. That's fine. As long as you know you're able to protect yourself. Shit. Come to my door. You understand? As long as you know you're able to protect yourself. Fuck what anybody gotta say. This is America. Women should have the right to protect themselves. Because women get bullied in this country. This Camilla was just called a bum. She was just called a bum for no reason at all. No reason. If you could call somebody with that level of education, with that status, with that amount of money, with all the accomplishments she has made in her life, right? If you can call someone like that with bachelor's and degree and all these things a bum, the vice president of the United States of America was called a bum, who the fuck is me and you? You understand? Who's me and you? Nobody. Shit, I thought I was making money. I thought I was doing something positive in my life. Shit, I'm a bum too. To him. Because it don't matter how much money you make. This shows you that how they look at you is how they look at you. I tell you one thing you're gonna call me before you call me a bum is fucking crazy. Because I don't got time to play with none of these niggas. Like zero. Why do you care about who Tina votes for? Worry about who you vote for. Facts. I told y'all, I'm not beating around the bush. I told y'all who the fuck I'm voting for. Nobody. No one. None. No one. No one could change my opinion. No one can change my opinion. I'm not voting for nobody. I think we need a break. A break. A break. A break. A break. I think we need a break. A break. From all this fucking sick shit to live in fear, because I'm not gonna make nobody make me live in fear. I'm gonna live ready and prepared. I'm not living in fear right now. I'm ready and I'm prepared for whatever the fuck comes my way. And I'm not putting no one else a part of this ghetto shit. And that's just how I look at life. So people, and some people don't like to face reality. So they'll say, oh, but I'm not letting nobody make me live in fear. I'm not letting no president make me live in fear. I'm not letting none of this make me live in fear. Biden just stepped down. Think he not scared? He is filthy fucking rich. Why did he step down? I'm not into politics. I don't give a fuck about politics. But I care about real shit when I see real shit. He just stepped down. Think he not scared? Biden is a puppet. I don't give a fuck what he is. I'm just saying, he just stepped down. Think he's not scared? Kamala just came out the race and went back in. She not scared? Trump is gangster, man. And I don't think people really understand that shit. That boy's gangster. Okay? He's one of the few people. Y'all laughing, it's not funny. It ain't nothing funny. Trust me. I promise you, it ain't nothing funny. You're right. He's getting old and he don't need the stress. You're right. Because Trump stressed people out. That's what the fuck he does. He actually does a pretty good job at it. He's extremely gangster. 1000%. And he say what he means and means what he say. Frost, good morning. You understand? I didn't not care. Understand? So, if you think any other president, you're beautiful, thank you. If you think any other president, he doesn't give a fuck. Trump does not give a flying rat shit fuck. If you think any other president will have the balls to say, to sing, to play a song, play the explicit version of I put a hole in a nigga for fucking with me. Okay? I only play that song when I'm angry. That's one of my favorite records, by the way. And y'all know 50 Cent is my favorite rapper. I only play that song when I'm dangerous and angry. Okay? And I'm just a regular person. Just a fucking artist. I'm not no president. You understand? So, if that Monday, I play that song there, come out a theme campaign with the N-word and everything, and you don't think you're in trouble, you don't live a real life. People like Trump because he got them funds. You got them funds, huh? People's fucking illiterate, man. You know, I wish a lot of people would have stayed in school. But my teacher used to tell me, focus on your work, focus on your work, focus on your work. I wish I was focusing on my work a little bit more, because a lot of things I learned late in my life. You understand? I wish when my teacher was telling me, focus on your work, focus on your work, focus on your work, I wish I was paying attention a little bit more, because I would have been a little bit more educated. Some of the mistakes I make in life, I wouldn't have made them, even though they made me who I am today. Because a lot of people, and I'm not, you know what? I'm not even mad at the people that are not educated. I'm not mad. I'm not. People could try to give you knowledge, and it's up to you. Take it or leave it. But don't do this. Oh, I don't give a fuck. I don't care. I don't give a fuck. People who talk like that scares the fuck out of me, because that means you have nothing to lose. You don't give a fuck about nothing. Even if you don't give a fuck for you, I'm pretty sure some of y'all got kids, some of y'all got family members, some of y'all got friends, like, whatever it is. Understand? I just realized I slept through school. And it's fine, as long as you're aware. Some people are not aware of nothing you teaching. Thank you, Chibetta. Some people are not aware of nothing. I don't give a fuck if you was dunce, aka illiterate. I don't give a fuck if you're illiterate and you want to learn. I respect that. But you know what I don't respect? Is a person who's illiterate and they have I don't care. I don't give a fuck. So what? I don't care. Because it's another way of saying I'm stupid and I don't want to learn. It's another way of saying I'm dumb and I want to be dumber. And it's another way of being lazy, because to educate yourself, it comes with a lot. You got to be focused. You got to be willing to listen. And some people have a hard time listening. Some people really have a hard time listening. They could sit down on the internet and watch an hour video of fucking toxic nonsense, chaos, but they can't sit down for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and put on something that they could educate themselves, or listen to someone that is trying to educate them or give them knowledge. I love to learn, yo.